Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. So recently OLENS contacted me and asked if I wanted to try the new BTS contacts. I clarified with OLENS because they said new BTS contacts, but what they meant was new restock since they've been sold out. Hehe. Come on, BTS, get new contacts out for the fans, man. Also, I'm giving some of these BTS contacts away with OLENS on my Instagram. Go into the giveaway, blindies. Strong power, thank you.
Something really real so that I can really feel like a person again. Stranger. Still don't know.
These are the contact lenses that BTS collaborated with MTPR. And I have some Boy in Love. I tried almost all the colors, DNA ones. I have new colors I haven't tried before. So I figure I'll do my job because I do this by law. It's my job. Me and my negative 5.0 vision here. We're gonna try 2, 4, 6, 8 contacts. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's get blind together. We're gonna start strong with Cook and the Hook, and this is in Destined, Destiny Sports.
Sports.
These usually come with photo cards. Today, baby. Look at this color alone. I'm destined for this life. Dirty. Check and make sure they're not flipped so they don't scratch your eyeballs out. There's a difference. So you don't want a curve on the edge. You want like a perfect bow. Here goes nothing. This has such a majestic color. Okay. Wow. I don't know if you can tell how blue they look or not, but they look very green. I'm not sure what's happening here, but something about this eye over here looks a little blind. Do you see the patterns in the eyeball? Streaky all over. Streaky, like the guy who ghosted you. It's definitely not my favorite because it's not as natural as I would like it. They don't really blend in flawlessly to your natural eye colors. It's too strong. Thanks, Kook the Hook. Off to the next cookie. Myself gray because myself gray. Shingring. He really said, shh. Wait, I forgot to take out my contacts. Got it. Did you see that? That was one try. This is called self-improvement. Try to tell me I'm not good. Why is it this eye? This eye feels a little like it's stained. Ah! I hate that feeling where it stings and you can't open your eye. Something's fucked up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not infected, is it?
In a world where you feel cold.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's so much crap to my life. I'm okay. Okay, thank you. I don't know what happened there. I'm so sorry. Let's just let this eye like rest. I'm not even gonna try to put that back in. Thanks. It just had a panic attack. Judging from this one eye, a strong, independent lady color. It doesn't have a natural blend. I mean, I knew this before in my previous video when I tried these contacts. Now, nothing's shocking except I'm still shocked. Because I don't have two eyeballs on, you can just kind of see the difference from my natural color and the very like in your face color. Nothing's wrong with that. If you like a very like in your face color, great, go for it. Let's just relax. Thank you for falling out. Is it because I have dirty fingers? I don't know. I'm gonna wash my hands in between every time. Let's air dry hands. Yeah, put your hands in the air. Thank you for that experience, Kook the Hook. Let's see. Who do we have? Money! Rapmon. He will always be Rapmon to me. No matter where you go in life, he will always be Rapmon to me. Okay, so this one is myself. Blue. These contacts have a darker rim. Okay, it's not flipped, so we shouldn't have trouble, right? Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Are you ready, girl? I got scared, but life goes on.
Like an echo in the forest,
Okay, we're fine. No stinking, no burning. Great. We're having a good day. I can't tell if on camera it actually looks very like dark on my eyes, but they're pretty saturated. It's not like the Destined light blue we saw earlier. It's a lot darker where it almost looks indigo. It's definitely not my favorite yet. I don't know what my favorite is yet. Got it! Next we have Chin Chin, Jiman, G-Man, Destiny Pink. We have, wow, one that actually matches. I don't know why, but it makes me miss the BTS concert. I was just rewatching that video the other day. When will we ever get to do that again? I am love. This one makes you look very seductive. Not that I am, but I don't normally gravitate towards pink bull. This is an exception. The pink sits really well on top of my natural brown eyes. In a way, it almost looks like a different shade of brown. I get this color if you want to look seductive. So far from everything we've tried, this is definitely my favorite. Oh my god, that was so weird. It has a gold inner ring. We have 4 more to go and a lot of them are browns, so I'm really excited. Myself, olive green. I love olive green lenses. Ow, they really secure the bag. My whole nail just bent forward. Did you just hear me? I said my whole nail bent forward. You didn't have to do me like this, sugar. And sugar hit me. Ooh, it is flipped. You thought you could. One more eye, one more eye. I don't want to show you guys.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly.
Oh my god! Hands down favorite. Something with olive green contacts just blends so prettily. I love olive green contacts. Just do you what I mean? To my AGs out there, definitely try olive green contacts. I feel like they're one of the most fitted outside of browns and hazels. Just so like effortless. Again, like I noticed, all of my self contacts has a darker rim around. It works with this contact really well. It gives a lot of dimension with the blending it does. Good job. And the pattern's not stripy. It's actually very grainy, but I don't mind it. It has a very sparkly look to it. This one is Destiny Brown. Jin! Another one! A different one! It flipped. I guess now we know which one's my strong guy. This says brown, but it definitely has a blend of a pink gold color. Ooh, wow. When they say brown, they really meant light pink brown. So light that looks like gold brown. You know what, actually, olive green's still number 1, but this is definitely number 2 for me. Your eyes glow without you even trying. Let's hit it with Hopi Destiny Blue. I'm so sorry, look at the way I opened the box. It's Chin Chin. What a cutie. Should have showed his lip. Can you tell how blue it's gonna be? It's dark. I don't know if you can tell, but this contact is stuck together. I have to peel it open. It might rip. Ooh. I'm gonna pass on this one. Even if I opened it up, I wouldn't feel comfortable putting that in my eye. This one's completely fine. That is blue. The first blue was like a light blue. Second blue that I tried on, that one was like a dark, almost violet indigo blue. This one falls in the middle. It's too blue for my liking, but maybe you'll like it. And for our last one, we are trying on Sugar and myself, Hazel. I'm really hoping I'm gonna like this one because we didn't try Hazel on yet. JK, as you can see, we have a JK. I like this. It's not a warm tone hazel like you'd expect. It's actually a very cool tone hazel, which I don't normally wear, but I like this cool tone. It has a very like crystal look to it. All I care about in a contact is whether or not it complements the dark brown eye I have underneath, because sometimes that can throw a color off and just like the way it blends. Holy crap, if only you guys can see what's happening around me. And that's it for me trying on the MTPR BTS contacts from OLENS Global. I wish it was sponsored, but it is not sponsored. However, there is a giveaway I'm hosting on my Instagram, so make sure you guys go over there to find the post and enter. I'm gonna leave links down below to these contacts on OLENS Global if you guys want to check it out yourself. But if not, go enter my giveaway, Linda. It's all for you. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.